Colorado lawmakers are working to make our roads safer by eliminating distractions like putting down your phone. Denver 7's Veronica Acosta joins us live about a bill that would strengthen distracted driving laws because it only takes a split second for things to go wrong.
And at any point during your morning commute, if you look to your left or you look to your right, it's really likely that someone's either talking on their phone or maybe even texting. Senate Bill 175 hopes to take care of that, banning adults from actually picking that phone up and talking on it unless they're using some of that one of those Bluetooth devices. We spoke to the president of an organization that really pushed for this bill. Listen to why she says this is so necessary.
People don't understand that they're driving a weapon when they get behind the wheel of a car or a truck. That's a lot of weight to be pushing. And if you're not paying attention, it takes a split second for something to happen. I would say the purpose of this bill is to change behavior, to get people to stop using their cell phones when they're driving.
Getting a hands-free bill passed has really become a personal mission for Dane. In 2016, her good friends Ryan and Jackie, they were hit and killed while they were riding their motorcycle by a driver who was reading a text message on their phone. Here are the consequences written into this bill. A driver caught using their phone, they would be fined $150 and get 2 license suspension points for that first offense. A second offense within 2 years would get them a $250 fine and 3 points, and then any additional citations would get them a $500 fine and 4 points. Attempts to get a bill like this passed, they failed before, mainly because proponents have worried about policing and racial profiling. We reached out to Senator Jim Smallwood. He said he doesn't see himself supporting a bill like this, adding in part, quote, "I find these broad attempts to solve concerns in metropolitan areas to be virtually unenforceable and a new unnecessary burden on law enforcement, who should instead, in my opinion, be focusing their efforts to curb the violent crime wave we are seeing across our state." So the bill itself, it was introduced in late March. It'll head to a committee later today where it will be continued to be discussed, and we'll keep you updated on what comes of it and its progress, of course. Jason has more on what your traffic conditions look like today. Jason.
Yeah, and